some crazy moments tonight. Are we gonna go crazy like everything we go crazy, everything we do is gonna be so crazy, but it doesn't matter because this will be the best memories, right?
Crazy shit I did. Those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That will be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight.